What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to embed a Twitch stream or live stream or a Twitch video into our WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet on our site's favors. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, it's of course go to our Twitch profile and find the video that I would like to embed, okay? In my case, it's gonna be this one from Rockstar channel, okay? This one. And basically all I have to do is open the video or the live stream, click into this share button next to the video full screen icon. There is a share button right here. Click on share and copy the video link, okay? Simple as that. With the video link on your hands, you can now go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover or mouse over plugins, okay? And click onto this button right here, add new plugin. Into this field, you're gonna be able to search for the plugin that you are looking for. Review the upper right corner of our screen. Next to keyword, there is a field called search plugins, and right here we're gonna type embed. Just like this. Wait a moment. Now scroll it down until you can find this plugin, EmbedPress. Embed PDF, YouTube, Google Docs, Vimeo, Insta videos, audios, Google Maps, any documents in Gutenberg and Elementor. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your WordPress website. Nothing to do right here, but if you review once again the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress, you're going to be able to see a new button next to appearance called EmbedPress. Right here, we're going to be able to see the plugin's main features, for example, Embed Frame Widget, Embed Frame H, Lazy Load for Pro versions, PDF Constant Color, and other options, for example, shortcodes and sources. Right here on sources, that is my favorite option, you can see all of the options that you have. For example, we have right here Twitch. Click onto this gear icon, for example. And this, you're gonna be able to set some options for Twitch. For example, start time, autoplay, theme dark or light, enable full screen button, mute on start, yes or no, okay? After this, you can save the changes in the case that you want to change this, okay? And now let's embed this. In my case, I would like to apply my Twitch live stream into one of my posts, okay? But on yours, it's up to you. You can apply on page, on products, on custom post types, and any section of your site, even a widget, okay? So in my case, I'm gonna apply in one of my posts. So I move to posts. Right here is my post. Now all I have to do is click into this plus button, okay, to add a new block. And right here we're gonna search for embed. Just like this. We are looking to this one right here with this link color, call it EmbedPress. Click on it, and now let's post the URL of the video that we did copy, okay? Do you remember when we copied this video? So I'm gonna embed the code right here. Click on embed. And here is the video embedded on our WordPress website with the full screen button and these other options. But we can even customize this in the case that we want. Review the right sidebar of menus. We have the widget. We have the page. To customize the video sizes, and we have options to even share the video, to apply a sharing buttons, okay? Just like this. We can move the sharing positions, change the sharing video title, description, the position of the buttons, apply some image to go for the social media previews, and even apply a block name and some CSS classes. Let me show you another option, okay? Click into this plus button. We can use the sorry, we can use the column option, just like this, and apply the video in one column, and another video in other column, just like this. Of course, we're gonna need to change the video widget to make it smaller. I think 40 is okay. And we can create layouts to share all our most viewed live stream videos, for example, okay? And of course, grow our Twitch profile. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can promote your site for free. You can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, Growth or PWs, or Sites.gallery, that is a place where you can be awarded. You can gain some notes for your game, your app design, your landing page, your site, your landing page, and many more things, all for free. And in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, templates, tools, plugins, themes, support, icons, and many more things, all included to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!